petisyon ninyo. Ganyan na lang. Ambisyon na lang kayo. Mag-nurse, mag-doktor, abogado. Ito mukhang abogado itong batang to eh. Mukhang matapang to. Lalaban na kaso to. This is the case. Out! Yan. Out again. Pag nakita ako pala. Kaya that's why, darling, no? You know, my father is, diyan lang kayo. You might be my shadow. Hindi ma. Gusto ko kasi magkaroon na shadow maganda. Kaya kasi yung shadow ko, ayaw ko tingnan eh. You know, my father, very strict. He told me, Elizabeth, Jamaican eh. Elizabeth, you have to finish your study. I want you to master the degree. Pero I look at my father, he's a chief engineer, you know. Master? Ano kaya yung master? Babae naman ako, bakit master? Akala ko master, mister.